Hello, today we are going to study how to use the Bluetooth smart lock. Firstly, we prepare the material. The smart lock, 3 pieces of AAA batteries, a small screwdriver, and your smartphone. And don't forget to take here the instruction manual. Okay, now let's start. The smart lock here, we turn to the back. It has a battery cover. Take out the 2 screws here. Please pay attention. It's a waterproof battery box. When you insert the batteries correctly, it will have voice. Yes, DD means it's power on. Okay, cover back and screw it back. This step you must do it firmly, otherwise the lock will not work well in rainy days. Okay, turn to the back. Here is a button. Insert this end into hole and press this lock button. This alarming noise means that the smart lock is firmly locked on now. Okay, this step is done. Okay, now we turn to set the smartphone. We need to download the app. If iPhone, try to find it from app store. If Android phone, you need to find from Google Play. After the SLB lock software is downloaded and installed, we try to turn it on. Okay, it will inform you to turn on Bluetooth. Just allow. And device list. Now we need to scan and search for the smart lock. Please input the password. This is the first time you try this lock, so we put the factory code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, the smart lock is now connected successfully. Okay, press it. Now, what's wrong that the connection failed? Because the Bluetooth is not working fine. Try again. Okay, so now we turn to 3 not so important functions. First is to change the name of the lock. You can choose to name it as you wish. For example, bicycle lock 1, bicycle lock 2, motorbike lock 1, etc. Change password. All the locks that we set in factory are with the code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can change to the new password you like, but try to remember it down on a piece of paper or somewhere else. Otherwise, if you forgot this password in future, nobody can use this lock without the password. Okay, and notification. What does it notify? If we press it, sorry, the Bluetooth failed again. If we notify it, when your smartphone is away from the smart lock, for example 6 to 10 meters away, it will inform you that the lock is failed or the lock is connected successfully or not. Okay, now we turn to the 3 important functions of this lock. This unlock and auto unlock. These 2 options, you can choose only one of it to work. So if now we choose unlock it by ourselves manually, then the lock will be controlled by the button on this app. So when the lock is on. Try to unlock it. Okay, as you can see, the red light from the smart lock has turned blue. It means that the lock is opened. So you have to pay attention. Red light means the lock is on and the blue light is off. Okay, so if we change to auto unlock function, how does it work? If we change this function, the lock will be controlled by the Bluetooth in distance. So now the smart lock is near the smartphone and the Bluetooth is on, so the lock is automatically unlocked. We try to put the Bluetooth off. Connection failed. See, the lock is now in red color. Now we turn to the most important function of this smart lock, the vibration and alarming function. Here, the button vibration, if we turn it on, it will give alarming noise. If we put it off, then however you move this lock, it will not have any noise. Okay, so yes. If you are the owner, means that you own the smartphone controls the lock. Your vibration also doesn't affect this lock at all. However, if you are away, for example, the Bluetooth is connected, then this smart lock will give you first alarming noise, and then try. Okay, so when your smart lock is connected with the Bluetooth again, means the owner of the lock is coming back, then the smart lock will stop annoying us. So, if we do vibration on this lock, how long will the alarming noise last for? It will last for 30 seconds. And if we want to cut this lock rope, or if we want to open this battery pack by screw, the alarming noise will never stop. So this will frighten the thieves strongly. They dare not touch your bicycle or your lock. Okay, so now we just turn off the vibration button and leave. Connection failed, and we try to touch it. No more alarming at all. This is only when you stay at home and don't want to annoy your baby or somebody else that you can use this vibration stop function. Okay, that's all for the introduction of this lock. Thank you for using our product. Bye bye.